Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How have you been? Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many women can relate to. It might feel a bit awkward to talk about, but it's really important for our health. So, let's get to the main point. Vaginal discharge. Vaginal discharge. Vaginal. V-A-G-I-N-A-L. V-A-G-I-N-A-L. Vaginal. Discharge. D-I-S-C-H-A-R-G-E. D-I-S-C-H-A-R-G-E. Vaginal discharge is a liquid that comes from the vagina. Most women and girls have it. It keeps the vagina clean and moist, and it helps protect against infection. Having some discharge is normal and a sign of good health. Here are some example sentences. Number 1. My vaginal discharge is abnormal. It has a strong smell and a yellowish color. My vaginal discharge is abnormal. It has a strong smell and a yellowish color. Abnormal means something is not normal or not the way it should be. Number 2. My discharge looks different than usual. It's greenish and it smells bad. My discharge looks different than usual. It's greenish and it smells bad. Number 3. I noticed more discharge than usual, and the color looks strange. I noticed more discharge than usual, and the color looks strange. So, what's normal and what's not? If your discharge is clear or white and doesn't have a smell, it's usually normal and healthy. But if it's very yellow or green, thick, sticky, or smells bad, you should see a doctor. Here are some quick tips to help prevent abnormal discharge. Number 1. Don't use pads all the time. Number 2. Change your underwear regularly. Number 3. Wear breathable cotton underwear. I think the third point is really important. Remember, taking care of your health is important, and understanding your body helps you stay healthy and confident. Okay, let's do a quick review. Number 1. My vaginal discharge is abnormal. It has a strong smell and a yellowish color. My vaginal discharge is abnormal. It has a strong smell and a yellowish color. Number 2. I noticed more discharge than usual, and the color looks strange. I noticed more discharge than usual, and the color looks strange. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and keep learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.